There is a lady who is usually up at night because of her insomnia in central Trinidad. One morning at around 2:45, she heard all the dogs from higher up the street howling, so she looked out the window. She didn't see anything, but the dogs kept barking and howling. Her dog suddenly began to howl, so she told herself that whoever or whatever is passing is now very close to her home. She looked out the window again, and there she saw a woman in a long white dress. It was dragging on the floor. Her aura lit the streets. Her hair was down her back, some covering her face. She had on a lot of long gold chains around her neck that jingled when she walked. The lady's dog began to bark even more. The woman in the white dress turned her head at him, and he ran away from her, went on the step crying, and was afraid. The lady gave the woman in the white dress time to pass her house, then she went outside when the woman in the long white dress was gone. Later in the day, she called her granny and told her what she saw, and she told her that it was a Ladjablès Duppy. The lady wasn't afraid because it's not the first time she witnessed the paranormal. She was just glad that she finally got to put a name to the spirit. A Ladjablès is also known as Ladjablès, and Ladjablès is a popular figure in Caribbean folklore, most commonly known in Trinidad. The origin story is about a young lady who was so obsessed with beauty and youth that she made a deal with the devil to stay young and beautiful forever. Her deal came with some fine print because it turned her into an ugly demon who had to hide her face with a large hat. One of her legs turned into a cloven foot, so she wears a long white dress to cover it. She could always be found near dirt roads, smelling like a mixture of sweet perfume and rotting flesh. She is cursed to roam the streets forever, looking for men to fall victim to her sweet allure. Some men, however, are immune to her spell and only sees her as an ugly demon with fire eyes.
Like and follow for more.